Hey guys, so today is Tuesday, February 12th, and it is my second snow day of the week. It's also Tuesday, so I haven't been at school since Friday, and honestly, it's getting a little weird. I feel like I need to do something. I don't know what to do with myself, so I thought that vlogging today would kind of inspire me to do something interesting with my day and just make it fun. So that is what's happening today. Hope you guys enjoyed the adventure. So I've planned a couple things. I want to take a picture for Valentine's Day with some Valentine's Day donuts from Dunkin Donuts. So I will have to leave the house to do that. I might have to wait though because I don't know how the roads are. I need to work on some essays. I have 2 essays due tomorrow that I have a rough draft of, so I just need to finish those up. Also, I have to see if there's any snow day work my teachers posted. But besides that, it's a pretty chill day. Gonna take that picture, and also I want to try to make some cookies or something like that, just to you know, make the day a little bit more fun. So yeah, that's today. It's about 10:15 right now. I don't normally sleep in this late, but it's a snow day, so why not? But yeah, let's go downstairs and get some food. So fun facts about me, I eat avocado toast almost every single day for breakfast for the past 6 months. So I always have these food obsessions, right? And normally I get tired of them eventually, but I am not tired of avocado toast yet. So I'm just gonna ride it out as long as I can. I mean, it's much healthier than some of my other obsessions. So we're just going with it. I really have a whole system when it comes to making my avocado toast. So I make the toast, and while it's toasting, I cut the avocado and I smash it inside the skin like this. And then while I'm spreading the avocado onto my toast, I have the egg whites cooking over on the stove, and then by the time I'm done spreading it, the egg whites are normally done, and then I can make my avocado toast. And yeah, it's really a whole system. I eat this a lot. Guys, look how cute she is. Even though there's snow on the ground, I still made my iced coffee. Honestly, I feel it's okay, because I'm not going outside to drink my iced coffee, you know? So, what's the plan, Bryn? I just told you!
Yeah, we work until 1, and then we're leaving, and then we're getting lunch, and then we're going to Dunkin Donuts.
Hey, it's me, your girl Ella. So, it's 11:45 right now, and I think I'm finished both my essays. First off, we got this one for my honors Vietnam War class, which is an essay on Vietnamese communism and nationalism. So that is done, I think. And then I also have this memoir for my AP English class, which is kind of about social anxiety, but it's relating to this Greek drama we just read. So I don't really know if I did that right, but it's done. It is over the page limit, actually. Actually, both these essays I have written over the page limit, so hopefully that goes over well. I am really bad at writing concisely, so I always write too much and I spend way too much time on simple things. But yeah, I did get that done, so that's great. And none of my teachers posted any homework to do over the snow day, which is just awesome. Maybe because it's spring term senior year and they know we don't care, but I'm just gonna go with it and not gonna question it. It's great, I'm doing awesome. Also, I had a test in my calculus class. It was supposed to be on Monday, but now it's not gonna be till Thursday because of all these snow days. So that's pretty great, and I know I should probably be using all these extra days to study for that. But honestly, I don't really know what I'm doing, and kinda just gonna wing it and see what happens. Math is not my subject, so hopefully it goes okay. I've literally been wearing this sweatshirt for 3 days, so that's how my life is going. So I'm gonna try to make myself look cute now, because I gotta take this photo. But yeah, literally I have not made myself look presentable in a week. So this is gonna be a full transformation. So here is the outfit I'm wearing. The sweater from Urban Outfitters. I just got it on sale for 30 bucks, so that's great. These jeans are Boohoo, and then I'm just wearing some pink Adidas shoes to go with everything. I don't normally dress up this much on snow days especially, but I'm gonna take this photo with the donuts. So thought I would just get ready a little bit beforehand so I could just be ready once we get home to take the photo. But yeah, so I think we're gonna go to Panera for lunch, then get the donuts, and should be good. So pretty.
Wait, doesn't the salad look better than it normally does?
No, it looks the same.
I think it looks better.
Okay, so I got like the half soup, half sandwich thing, and this is the turkey avocado BLT. This is the tomato soup. So it's really good. Soup is honestly such a move at Panera, especially when it's cold outside. It's really underrated, honestly. Thank you. Cat donut. Not gonna lie, they're like low-key not that cute, but it's fine. We'll make it work for the photo. Might even add some more sprinkles on top of these. My room smells like strawberry donuts now, but honestly, not the worst smell. So now I have a box of donuts I can eat. Probably gonna bring them to school though, because I'm not gonna eat a dozen donuts, but I really like this one. So here are the photos. They turned out super cute. Not really sure which one to post yet, because I feel like I can really only post like one of these, or it's just kind of a lot of donut pictures. So not sure which one yet, but I guess by the time this video goes up, you'll see what I chose. So not really much of a mystery anymore, but yeah, just know in this moment, I was confused on which one to post. It's 4 p.m. I'm really bored, so let's go see if Bryn wants to help make cookies. Bryn, do you want to help me make cookies?
No,
Why not? Okay, now I'm making cookies by myself. Okay, so got all the ingredients here. Now let's make some cookies. Not the prettiest, but they are really, really good. I'll link the recipe down below if you guys want to try these out. They're actually pretty healthy too. They're gluten-free and dairy-free. So it is now 7 p.m. And honestly, like, I don't really have anything to do right now. I mean, I definitely should keep editing my essays or like print them out or something, but you know, I'll probably do that completely last minute. I think I'm gonna go take a shower, and I look really pale right now because I've been inside for like 3 days. So I'm thinking I'm gonna do some self-tanner and, you know, just like try to look a little bit less dead. So yeah, let's go do that. So this is the self-tanner I use. It's by Tarte. I'd say it's pretty good. I've never had a problem with like streakiness or anything, except it does totally have that like self-tanner smell, which I really hate. So if you guys have any recommendations for a self-tanner that's not streaky and also just like doesn't smell that bad, let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to try out some new ones. But really though, like besides the smell, it's pretty good, and it goes away after you take a shower once. So it's really not that bad. I don't know if you're like supposed to put this on your face, but I always like do a teeny bit of like just the leftover stuff on the mitt. I'm not sure if you're really supposed to do that though, so don't follow my lead. Really hoping there's like some kind of delay tomorrow so I have time to like shower in the morning to get rid of the smell. But I'm thinking no. So yeah, I'm gonna be that girl that smells like self-tanner in the middle of winter. It's just gonna happen. So now that I'm all tan and showered and all that, I'm actually gonna start watching Shane Dawson's conspiracy series. Haven't started it yet. I know I'm a little bit late, but I feel like this is a good time to do that because I don't really have a lot to do tonight. So I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. I post new videos every single Saturday. And also let me know if you wanna see more vlogs. I really wanna do some more at school, maybe on April Fool's Day because my school really goes all out for that. I was also thinking like a prom dress shopping one. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of that. And that's it. I will see you guys soon. Bye.